Right here is definitely a budget friendly, about to rob this bank kind of wig. Okay? About to clear this bank. Ow! Everybody put their hands up, cause baby, what? Let's get to this video. Hey, and welcome back to Who's That Girl, where I live for Syntheticas and Syntheticas live for me. Anyway, alright, in this edition of this video, we are going over this Bobbi Boss wig that I do not like. I'm going to put it out there right now. I was excited that she was big head friendly, but yeah, not really a fan of this wig. Let's go ahead and get into the details, and then I'll tell you at the end why I don't like her. So again, this is a Bobbi Boss soft volume HD lace frontal wig. Her name is Milani, MLF732. The color is a number 2, I want to say. She has a 5-inch deep lace parting. She has a Meta Fresh safe and clean cap, HD lace, I said already, and a flex fit cap. She's definitely very long, and yeah, that's all the details I have on her. Now, I'm going to get into the reasons why I don't like her. I'm going to get into these reasons real quick. First of all, the 5-inch deep parting space. I didn't even realize when I was looking, when I purchased this wig, what kind of wig she is. She's actually like I'm not gonna say a cheapy end, but she's one of those wigs, one of those cheap wigs that you just want to style up real quick and keep it moving. The only problem with the style up real quick is that she has no style to her. She's flat, and the way she looks on the stock card, she's supposed to give up layers and layers and layers and layers. Now, can you take this wig and reform her? Can you curl her? Can you go about making it your own? Yes, you can. But again, I'm going to say this again, and I'm going to say it loud and proud. I am the most laziest synthetic wig influencer you ever going to meet. When I buy a Synthetica, the reason why I purchase a Synthetica is because I don't want to do all of that. I don't want to have to take out my curling iron because I don't have one. Let's put it out there. I don't want to have to take out my curling iron and do this whole thing over and curl it and cut it. And no, I want this pre-packaged. I want it pre-cut, pre-styled, pre-colored, pre-everything. So all I have to do is cut off the lace, glue it to my forehead, and go. I said a lot, but that's how I feel. And don't get me wrong, she melted nice. Like she melted. Like she melted. I like that. She melted and it looked okay. I didn't have much space for plucking or anything like that, because again, she's one of those wigs with no she only has a 5-inch deep parting space that's right there, and so in the front it's just a little bit of hair, maybe like an inch or two, and then tracks. So not too much plucking I could do. Not too much baby hairs I can take out. I mean, you can possibly had a little bit of baby hair, so you can probably lay a little something down. I tried, didn't like the way it looked, and I pushed it right back. So yeah, if I had to go about buying this wig again, I would not. Bobbi Boss used to be my go-to back in the day. I don't know if they just falling in the cracks behind, Outre and all the other sensational or the other hair companies, but I don't know. This is probably one of their low end wigs, and I'm gonna go back into ebony line. I only paid it was under $40, which I think is way too much for this wig, but you can still do something with her. So I guess I'm gonna go back and see if I can find one of the high end wigs and see what that's giving. But this one is actually a no for me, and I don't think I will buy her again. And that's just my thought process. Was she big head friendly? Yes. Did she shed? Yes. Did she comb out pretty well? Yeah. I just didn't like the fact that I had to I'm gonna have to really style her for real. I'm gonna have to put curls back into her after I comb her out, and I just didn't like that. So that's just my thought process on this wig. You might be able to do something with her. I'm just not. She's giving off Barbie-ish kind of hair too. She was kind of on the thin side, and the shine is ridiculous. And you can also fix that with, you know, dry shampoo, if anything. So if I had to give her a rating, I'd probably give her a 5 because she did melt the way she was supposed to, and she was big hair friendly. Those are my 2 pros. Other than that, yeah, not a fan. And that's just my thought process. That's just what I think, and that's just how I feel. But anyway, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. She's actually really giving off 90s vibes. Like, you know what I'm saying? Back and forth type of vibes. I'm not gonna hold you. If I was doing like a photo shoot or something like that and I needed, like, you know, a little look, she would be the one. But longevity wise, yeah, negative. I just cannot. Again, it's just my thought opinions. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. You can watch this video all the way to the end. That would help me so very much. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. All right, bye. Alright, Bobby boys. Count your motherfucking days. Okay? Count your motherfucking days.